Hey friends, what's up? Wagwan. So today I'm here with another unboxing, and today is this unboxing will be my final unboxing. I haven't pulled the package as yet. My guess is as good as yours. So let's go ahead and pull the package together. And this package is from temu. Me know what in there, but let me see if we're pleased with what's inside. All right, so let's go ahead and pull the package. It's windy and it's feeling cold. So me realize things them are coming a black bag, scandal bag. Why is that? So these are the items that I bought. I think they are some t-shirt. Yes, so I think it's 6 t-shirts. So let's pull them and look at the material. Look at the material. Look at the material. Mm. It's not a cotton material. So this is the first one. Not a cotton material. And it has some detail at the side. Some straws thingy. So this is what the first one is looking like. And I think they're all large. Yes, so this is the first one. The material kind of silky, but it's not bad. So this is the first one. Second one, just a regular degular plain with the cuffs at this side, and all of them are one size. All of them are large, I think. So this is the second one. Not bad. This more feel like cotton. This more feel like cotton. So let's move on to the third one. So this is another one, plain. Drawstring at this side. This is another one. Same details, just different color and different pattern. So this is the other one. Simple and cute, and they are great for the summer. This is the other one. Cute, small and nice. Love these. Love the stripes. Material not bad, honestly. And this is the final one. Nice plain shirts. So let's count them together. I'm gonna show how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so 6 of them. You have 3 of this one here, 3 of this, and 3 plain one. So 3 is for myself and 3 is for my daughter. Yeah. Let me see which one I'm gonna choose. Alright, so this is for her. This is for me. This is for her. And I guess this one. So these are hers and these are mine, and I rate them 8. I'll give them 10, 8.5 for material. The materials are not bad, so I'll give them a 8.5. Not bad, not the best, but not bad. They can wear, so yes. And this is the final unboxing. When I come back with no temu unboxing, I got all my packages now, and yes, this is it. This is it. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. I think we should have tried them. Normally I like try and close, but yeah, they are cute. They are cute. So as I said before, this is all the stuff that I got from temu, and I am pleased. So yes, this has come to the end of another beautiful video. If you like my content, you can go ahead and subscribe down below. Yes. And what about I'm taking at the sizing come on it. Size, no size. Just a t-shirt. I'm not seeing a size, so but I guess I chose what did I choose again? Large. Yes. So I think these are large. So some are almost over, and I'm not buying anything more. I was gonna do a little summer shopping, things to wear, but I'm back to school time, you know. So I'll buy 1 and 2 things on Shein, you know. But when I walk over to you, I don't know if I am getting this stuff wrong. Choosing the wrong things and not reading the reviews properly, but I'll go on Shein and get stuff. Alright guys, this is it. We'll talk again later. Alright, bye.